Factory funniest car antenna adds personality, enhances visibility, sparks conversations, and makes vehicles uniquely recognizable. Today's video is about top 5 best, funniest car antenna toppers for any vehicle that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ronin Factory Funniest Car Antenna. This short antenna is a simple yet effective upgrade for Chevy and GMC truck owners looking to enhance their vehicle's appearance. Designed to fit 2014 plus Silverado and Sierra models, it installs in seconds by simply replacing the factory antenna, no tools required. The 5-inch flexible design gives a sleek, modern look while eliminating the annoyance of a long whip antenna flapping in the wind or hitting garage doors and branches. It's also car wash safe, making it durable for everyday use. A standout feature is the anti-theft thread locking compound, adding extra security to keep your accessory in place. While AM/FM reception may be slightly reduced due to its shorter length, it's hardly an issue for drivers who rely on Bluetooth or satellite radio. Overall, this antenna is a stylish, practical upgrade that combines convenience, durability, and a cleaner look for your truck. Now our second product is Lqylmy Funniest Car Antenna. This 7-inch short antenna is a solid upgrade for many Toyota models, offering both style and performance. Designed for a wide range of vehicles like Tacoma, Tundra, and RAV4, it fits perfectly with its M5 threaded connection, making installation quick and tool-free. The build quality stands out, featuring a durable TPU rubber exterior that resists wear, harsh weather, and daily driving impacts. Its flexible design is car wash safe and prevents damage from low branches or obstacles, which is a big improvement over long factory antennas. Performance-wise, the internal copper coil and nickel-plated brass base help maintain strong and stable radio reception across different driving conditions, from city roads to rural areas. Beyond functionality, the shorter design gives your vehicle a cleaner, more aggressive look. Overall, it's an easy, reliable, and stylish replacement that balances durability, signal quality, and convenience. Our third product is Vofono Funniest Car Antenna. The Vofono short antenna is a great upgrade for Dodge Ram owners looking to combine style with functionality. Designed to fit a wide range of Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, it matches the factory base perfectly for a secure and seamless fit. Performance is reliable, with a Chilean copper core that helps maintain strong AM/FM reception in most driving conditions. The tie rubber exterior adds durability, making it resistant to harsh weather and safe for car washes without cracking or damage. Installation is quick and effortless, just screw it in within seconds, no tools required. The spiral design also gives your truck a modern, stylish look, replacing the bulky factory antenna with something more compact and appealing. Overall, this antenna delivers a nice balance of durability, decent signal quality, and visual upgrade, making it a practical and attractive accessory for your Ram. Now number 4, Gasedin Funniest Car Antenna. The Bumblebee antenna ball is a charming and practical accessory for any vehicle. Its bright, eye-catching design makes it easy to spot your car in crowded parking lots, adding both fun and functionality. The cartoon bee theme is especially appealing for families, creating a cheerful atmosphere that kids will enjoy during trips. Made from durable EVA material, this antenna ball is lightweight, waterproof, and weather-resistant, ensuring it stays vibrant through rain, sun, and daily wear. Its versatility is another bonus. You can use it on your antenna, dashboard, rearview mirror, or even as a fun hanging ornament for bags or pens. Installation is simple and hassle-free, sliding directly onto most car antennas. For slightly thicker aerials, the whole can be adjusted easily with a tool. Overall, this Bumblebee antenna ball is a delightful, durable, and practical decoration that adds personality, visibility, and joy to your vehicle. And our last choice is Tenna Top's Funniest Car Antenna. The Tenna Top's Ice Pop, Green Hat, Penguin Antenna Topper is a fun and quirky addition to your vehicle. Its limited edition design from the genuine Tenna Top's USA brand features an adorable penguin wearing a green hat, making it a standout accessory for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Made from durable EVA foam, it is weather resistant and can withstand sun, rain, and everyday wear, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. The small 4.5mm hole fits most standard thin antennas, making installation quick and simple. Just slip it onto your antenna for an instant upgrade. Beyond aesthetics, it's also practical. The bright, whimsical design makes locating your vehicle in crowded parking lots easier and more fun. Perfect for anyone who enjoys playful car accessories, this penguin antenna topper combines durability, charm, and functionality in one small but noticeable package. Overall, It's a delightful way to personalize your car while adding a touch of fun and visibility. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.